Now students, today we will study about the eukaryotic gene structure. Now operons, they are also functional in eukaryotes. Likewise, they are of two types, inducible and repressible. Gene regulation of eukaryotes is slightly complex as compared to that of prokaryotes. Different structural genes connected to a metabolic pathway do not often lie adjacent to one another. They are generally found well spaced on the same or different chromosomes. So, the different structural genes, they are connected to a metabolic pathway, but they do not often lie adjacent to one another. They are generally found well spaced, that is, they are seen at a distance on the same or different chromosomes. Then each structural gene seems to have its own promoter gene, and each of the structural gene have its own promoter gene in the eukaryotes. Eukaryotes possess sensor genes which pick up the information of any change in the intracellular environment and presence or absence of hormones, vitamins, metal ions, chemicals, pathogens, etc. So these eukaryotes, they possess the sensor genes which are helpful in picking the information of any change in the occurring in the intracellular environment and presence or absence of the hormones, vitamins, metal ions, chemicals, pathogens, etc. Eukaryotes have integrator genes for coordinated functioning of structural genes present in different parts of genetic material. Now, these eukaryotes, they have some more genes like called as the integrator genes, which are helpful for coordinating the functioning of the structural genes present in different parts of the genetic material. Eukaryotes seem to have specific genes that enhance or slow down the expression of certain genes. So, eukaryotes have some specific genes or some typical genes or for specific genes that will enhance or slow down, that will increase or slow down the expression of certain genes. They are called as the enhancer genes and silencer genes respectively. So, the increasing expression of the genes is called as enhancer genes, and the slow down expression of the genes is called as the silencer genes respectively. So eukaryotes structural gene has two types of interspersed regions. They are called as the exons and the introns. So in the prokaryotic gene, we have seen that they are made up of the structural gene like LAC-Z, LAC-Y and LAC-A. Then they followed by the promoter gene, operator gene, and lastly the inducer gene. So here in the eukaryotes, you will observe that the structural gene has two types of interspersed regions called as the exons and introns. Exons are what? They are the coding sequences. Exons are just we can say exons are such type of the genes which have the coding sequence, or which are helpful to code for or will act as a code for the protein synthesis, and the introns, they are the non-coding sequences of genes, or they are the non-coding region of genes. So exons are coding sequences of a gene which on transcription form parts of messenger RNA that will code for different regions of the protein, whereas the introns are non-coding sequences of the gene which are also called as the spacer DNA or intervening sequences, that is IVS, and they do not form parts of messenger RNA. So these introns, as they are non-specific or we can say non-coding genes, they are not functioning for or participating in the protein synthesis. So the whole gene is transcribed as a heterogeneous nuclear RNA. So due to this, the whole eukaryotic gene is described as a heterogeneous nuclear RNA, that is hnRNA. The non-coding or intronic regions of RNA, they are removed by means of enzymes called as the nucleases. So the non-coding sequences during the protein synthesis, when the transcription should be carried out, so for that it requires the complete continuous sequence of the exon regions only, as they are the coding regions or the coding sequences. So the introns are removed or removed by means of the enzymes nucleases, and the exonic regions of RNA, they are joined together to produce a single chain RNA required for functioning as translational template. So with the removal of the introns, so just keep in mind that if suppose we consider a eukaryotic gene structure, you will see that the exons and introns, they are alternately arranged, and the introns are non-coding sequences whereas the exons are the coding sequences. So to carry out the transcription process, the messenger RNA will get the coding from this exon regions, and it will get transcribed, or the transcription will